Hey, my name is Junior, and this is Ounce 2020, our multimedia network. And we started in the year 2020, which we refer to as year zero. And we are now in year one, and we are rolling out all of the products and services that we have been working on. And one of them is Ounce TV. And the TV stands for Top Videos. We offer the top videos on YouTube, and we provide you with the most important and the most entertaining videos without any commercials, no ads from YouTube, and it loads really fast, especially if you have a low Wi-Fi signal or a slow internet. You know, YouTube is the fastest video streaming service in the world. It has 37 million channels. And what we do is we choose the best videos that are published every day and some of the older videos that you might have missed out on. And we publish the top videos on YouTube. And we have 4 dedicated crypto channels. You will not find this type of information for free anywhere in the world. We also have an agriculture channel and a health channel, which has the most advanced technology in agriculture in the world. And I'm talking about all natural plant-based vaccines that is currently in development. Other technologies, advanced technologies in agriculture using artificial intelligence and vertical farming. And also with our product, Superleaf, we are the first company in the world to turn lettuce into paper. So for those of you that know me from Superleaf, you already know that the proof is in the puffin. And yep, it is the best way to smoke. It's the healthiest way to smoke. We have over 55 years of medical research, and we really feel this is the future of farming, okay? Especially for people in low income areas, all right? We want to teach 1 million people, especially 1 million women worldwide, how to make our products, okay? Learn how to make Superleaf. Okay, that's a show that we're coming out with. And also, Learn How to Smoke Healthier is another show that we'll be coming out with. And we're looking for 1 million women that want to start a new career or start a new business. And we will teach them everything from growing the lettuce organically, okay, indoor and outdoor, to manufacturing paper products, okay, to also distributing and marketing our products. Make sure you spread the word. Tell them to download this app, Ounce 2020. It's very important for everybody to stay on top of what's going on, the world news, and how to make money. We got everything that you need to know, keep you up to date with your money. Okay, we have the top videos channel, the best videos on YouTube. I mean, we got short videos and we even got some full length videos like the new documentaries that are coming out about New Edition and Bobby Brown. And we got the best documentaries, period. We got the best documentaries on YouTube. We got the best shows. We got the best videos. We got the best interviews. We got the best music videos. Very important. The best music videos and the best entertainment news. So every day there's brand new videos that come out and we post them. We got the top videos. So you definitely want to download our app and visit ounce2020.com from your smart TV or from your computer. It's actually better on your computer and your smart TV because you got the autoplay feature. It loads so fast. There's no commercials, no ads. It's uninterrupted. It's going to go from one video to the next, and it's hours and hours and hours of the most important videos and the most entertaining videos on YouTube. And YouTube has 2 billion people, okay, watching videos on YouTube and 37 million channels. Okay, think about that. Over 37 million channels on YouTube. So what we did is this is like a TV guide for YouTube, and we categorize it in the best channels that are going to teach you how to make money, okay, and teach you how to be Well, first thing is to teach you how to be healthier. Okay, we're going to teach you how to be healthier and wealthier, but we also got the most entertaining videos on YouTube, the best music videos, as I mentioned, all the entertainment news. I mean, we have breaking news the second, well, not the second, but the minute it comes out, we have the notifications from YouTube and we repost it on our website. So we check it, we're updating our website constantly. These are all the reasons that we want you to visit our website, ounce2020.com, right now and download our app. Okay. And once you download our app, click on Start Here, and then we're going to give you $15, okay, that you could cash out in cash or Bitcoin. And we're going to tell you why you want to receive the Bitcoin. We're going to tell you how you could receive $75 in Bitcoin. And we're going to also tell you how you could receive free products like our all natural super leaf products. And then we're going to provide this all to you for free. So go to our website, ounce2020.com, download our app, click on Start Here, get started. Okay, that'll take you less than 5 minutes to register. Okay, once you complete step number 3, you earn $15. Okay, you could receive that in cash or Bitcoin, and you could also cash out with Western Union. Okay, we're the only website that has payment options and payout options, so you could receive your money in Western Union as well as Cash App. And we have crypto, credit card, debit card, Zelle. We have every payment option that you could think of. So please go to our website, ounce2020.com, right now, download our app, click on Start Here, get started, earn your $15, and start sharing out the app with everybody you know. So this is an exciting opportunity because we're taking internet television, which is the future of television, is on YouTube. Believe it or not, every television station in the world has a YouTube channel. Okay, so in the future, you will not need a cable service because internet will be free. Wi-Fi will be free. It'll be readily available everywhere. Okay, so now you'll have these devices that'll be able to go to our websites and watch streaming media from YouTube because YouTube has the fastest streaming service on the planet. So that's another reason you want to tell everybody to use our website to watch these videos, because you'll notice how fast our videos load and how fast they just go from one video to the next with no advertisements and no commercials. So I don't know what more I can say to get you to come to our website and download the app and start using it. But if you have a smart TV and a computer, everything's always available on our website, ounce2020.com. Watch the videos in full screen and see how fast they load and go from one video to the next. Hours and hours of endless entertainment, the most important and the most entertaining videos on YouTube. Remember, if you ever have a problem inside the app, everything's always available on our website, ounce2020.com. And also watch our other videos for more details. Click on videos, click on Ounce 2020 channel, and you have all the videos that explain in details how you can make money with us and tap into several multi-billion-dollar industries. So I'm going to leave y'all off with that note. And as always, welcome to the future. My name is Junior. Stay safe. God bless. Oh, and remember, always use our website to download the latest version of our app. Okay, so always use our website and tell people to go to our website to download the app. Okay, and also to watch videos from your smart TV, your computer, or your phone, especially the older Android devices. For the best full screen and autoplay features, use our website and click on videos. Thank you.